What's going on, everybody? I'm Jory Goodman, the Time Teller, and man, I've said that intro like a million times since 2017. And it's funny, because when I look back at that first episode I ever made here on this channel, it feels like it was just yesterday, but also it feels like it was kind of ages ago, because it kind of was. 2017, now we kind of categorize things like pre-pandemic, post-pandemic, and that was very much pre-pandemic. And I was a little bit rougher around the edges, I'll admit. I think I said the F-bomb like 20 times within the first 2 minutes of that video. And now I've kind of kept it a little cleaner on this channel. I had a little bit more hair up top. Now I'm kind of a bald-headed, I got that Vegeta hairline. I look like a Humpty Dumpty Eggman, if I'm honest. But I hope you've seen some progress. Not just the progress of the regressing hairline. I hope you've seen some progress as it comes to me, presenting information to you guys and the way I entertain you people. And regardless, I thank you for being with me through the ups, the downs. You've seen me at my best. You've seen me at my worst. And recently, I feel like I've been sharing with you a lot of my losses. It's crazy. We're coming on a year. In June, it will have been a year since this injury, which has now kind of progressed into, it's gotten kind of worse in a way. It's affected me in ways I didn't really expect it to, and you've heard me, complaining about this. You've seen me have to end live streams early. You've seen me, miss uploads because I have medical appointments and blah, blah, blah. But losses aside, I think it's time to share with you perhaps the biggest win of my entire life. And it took place this weekend up in Big Bear. Sammy and I went up to the mountains and we got snowed in, kind of. But we took that time to make it a little bit more official. So I locked her in, and she couldn't escape because we were snowed in. No, put the ring on her finger, made it official, and I'm so thankful, because I truly believe I couldn't have done it without you. You engaging with my content throughout the years, you helping me kind of learn more about myself, and you helping me become more confident throughout the years. I talk to a lot of people because of this channel. I'm on camera pretty much every day because of my social media presence. And you engaging with me engaging with my viewers. And I have to thank you for that. And so that's why I wanted to share with you, me engaging with Sammy, an official engagement, in fact. So I'm very grateful, very thankful, and we pretty much operate like we're married already. We just haven't gone to the courthouse yet to make it like official on paperwork, but she calls me her husband, and I call her my wife at this point. So, but I'm very, very thankful, and I want to bring you guys along in my life's journey, not just through the negative stuff. I also wanted to share with you that some really incredible positive stuff is going on in my life. And again, I want to thank you for being here with me. So regardless of what has gone on in my life, it has brought me to this point, and for that I am forever grateful. And I love each and every one of you. The outpouring of support from you guys over on Instagram when we announced it has been so touching. It made both of us pretty emotional, and we love you. We love you guys, and thank you. So without further ado, it is 2:16 p.m. and we just got down to business. By the way, the watch that I wore when I officially proposed to her was my G-Shock Mudman. Coincidentally, this is the watch that she got me, and it was kind of perfect. We're going up to, we were over 7,000 feet elevation, so I wanted to check out the altimeter and the barometer and test out the thermometer that we have over there. It got down to 28 degrees Fahrenheit. It was very, very cold. And it's not only a perfect kind of rough and tumble watch for a rough and tumble environment, but it's also special because, my woman got it for me, and I was officially proposing to her in that moment. So I know that that's the main question that I've been getting. What watch? What watch did you wear? Well, can't go wrong with the G-Shock. All right, guys, love you.